Hello. So we are going to be learning about a program in a Google app called Google Slides, and you're going to be using Google Slides to create all kinds of artwork. So I want to go over some of the basic things that we're going to be using. Up here, this is our menu, okay? And here we have icons, and if you scroll over, it will pop up the name and what it's for. Okay, this is our undo and redo. So we'll be using that a little bit. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this, and you can see the little four arrows there. That indicates that I can either move it or it's selected, or I can delete it because I don't really need that on the screen for what I'm doing. So we are going to use mostly the shape tools, and it's right here, and it's this little circle on top of a little square. So let's go over that. There are shapes, okay? There are squares, round cornered squares, all kinds of shapes, triangles, trapezoids, circles, and some other things like lightning, sun, moon, clouds, and even a little kind of a rainbow thing. And you can use that actually for a lot of different stuff. So we have all of these nice symbols there. We also have arrows, okay, all kinds of arrows, and call outs. I love call outs because I can make scrolls, okay, I can make all kinds of fun stuff, and I can add little voice things over my cartoon. Equations are mostly used for math, but there's some things that we might be doing with that. So to start with, I'm just going to make a square and kind of go over very quickly. You just click on your area that you're working in and pull to the size you want. Now, this little thing here where there's a little cross is something I can use to turn. Okay, so if I want to make my shape at an angle, I can make it at an angle. If I want to I like this shape and I want to just reduce the size, I pull from the corner. Do not, unless you want to change the side, do not pull from one end or the other because you'll squish your shape and you'll change your shape. So if you want to keep it the same shape, always pull from the corner. Now, in order to get a color, I'm going to use this tool here, and it's called Fill Color. You've probably seen paint buckets before. So I'm going to just color that red. Now, I have a little light colored black outline around that shape. So if I want to get rid of the outline, I just color the outline red too. Okay, so now I'm going to add another shape. Let's see here. Let's add a triangle. Boom. Okay, now notice that this is overlapping, okay, my other thing. Now, if I want it to go back, I can right click on my object and it pulls up order, this word order, okay? And I can send it to the back, or I can send it behind just that one object, or I can send it all the way back. I'm just gonna say send backward. Now, my rectangle is on top of the triangle. And that is the main overview of shapes and their tools. And I'll go over a few other things in the next video.